Morning, it's Saturday, and 613, the streetlight is in the yard. So, I'm gonna have a look inside it. Let's go in the tradesman's entrance. This is one of the newest buses to Blackburn Bus Company. I'll look at the front of it. Looks like there's 4 ready to go. So, this is a Streetlite. I haven't driven one of these for ages. So yeah, it's alright inside. Very fancy. I don't know, actually, it's quite nice. Good, like, vision position. Like, the actual position of the bus is quite a nice... We've got a nice view. They haven't changed the controller, which I did wonder if they was going to do. It's only a 3.1 metre bus, but yeah, nice and lovely. The livery is the blue. I think is fantastic. It pops. Nice size. I like the Blackburn Bus Company logo at the back. Yeah, they're in between like an Eclipse and an Opter, really. But the blue looks absolutely fantastic. I think it really pops on this bus. Really nice. No back decals yet, but I'm surprised that they haven't done that yet. But the blue is lovely. I think they've done a really good job at getting them refreshed and up to date. Yeah, well done guys, engineering. Well done, you did a fantastic job. So that's 613, first look at it. Hopefully we get to drive it soon. I was just asking, but today we've got 237, the freshly painted Opter. So yeah, that's a first look at the Blackburn Bus Company Streetlight. Gotta give it to them, looks lovely.